In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Canva template 2025 step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click the official Canva site to head to the home page. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so all the editing tools and your saved projects are available. Being signed in ensures your uploads sync and you won't lose any changes. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. This opens up your design options and gets you into the editor. From here, choose a template that fits what you're making, whether it's a social post, presentation, flyer, or anything else. You can browse by category or use the search bar to quickly find a style you like. Pick a template that has a layout where an image will make sense, like a photo placeholder or a clean section with space to feature your picture. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand toolbar and click the Uploads tab. This is your hub for bringing in your own photos. Next, click Upload Files. A file picker will open, so select the image from your computer. Canva supports common formats like JPG and PNG. Choose the highest quality version you have for a crisp result, but keep in mind that very large files may take longer to upload. Now wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it's done, your image will appear in the Uploads panel. If it's taking a while, a stable internet connection helps. Once it appears, you're good to go. Click the photo you just uploaded to place it on your canvas. If your template includes a photo frame, the image may snap right into that frame. If it lands on the page instead, that's fine. You can position it exactly where you want. From here, resize and move the image to fit your design. Drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller while keeping it proportional. To reposition, click and drag the image into place. If you need a precise fit, double-click to enter crop mode and adjust what portion of the image shows, then click Done. Use the rotate handle above the image to add a slight tilt if your layout calls for it. If text or other elements overlap, open the position options to move the image forward or backward in the layer order, keeping your layout balanced and readable. That's it. Your image is added and fitted neatly into your Canva template. Save your work, and you're ready to continue designing.